We are talking about the history of numbers from natural to complex numbers.
Interesting story about the number
Pi.
pi. The number pi is an irrational number. It is used to calculate the circumference of a circle. Pi is the most recognized number in the world. It is often considered as the most important and intriguing number in all mathematics. Pi Day is celebrated on March 14th, which was chosen because it looked like 3.14. Coincidence, Albert Einstein was born on this day. If we look at the symmetry of the number 3.14 in a mirror, we can see a written pi.
By commanding it to computer to last digit value of pi. Comedian John Evans once queried, "What do you get if you divide the circumference of a Jack zero?"
Jack Ronson.
As of 2014, the record for calculating P is to 12 billion. Pi embodies the school spirit at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, as reflected in their sculpture causing second tangent sine 3.141659. Egyptologists and followers of mysticism have been fascinated for centuries by the fact that the Great Pyramid of Giza seems to approximate pi. The first 144 digits of pi add up to 116. Some scholars note that this is the mark of the beast, and that 144 equal to 6 plus 6 times
6 times 6.
Pi Day is celebrated on March 40, which was chosen because it resembled 3.40. The number 3.40 written backwards look like the word pi. So now we are going to let's answer a cool question. We have a presence of digital notches in negative 30,000. The presence of digital notches are the stick of fish and go. Whereas the history of the number goes back to 30,000 years. The Sumerians of Uruk and Nippur already used lunar calendar in negative 30,000 years, and they are thinking to take the moon for represent the numbers. Here we can see with which they represent the number. The number 0. It was the Indian mathematician who introduced 0, especially in 628, which with Brahmagupta. It is also existed in pre-Columbia and the Maya civilization, but the 0 isn't considered by some people like a number in the 21st century, while it is accepted in 870 by the Indian. We know this because they write this number. It is also considered by as a number of emptiness and nothingness.
Okay.
Here we can see the different bytes of this number 0 in Arabic and Kurdish, Urdu, Bengali, Devanagari, Chinese, Japanese, Khmer, and Thai.
Very good.
The number 1 and the other numbers were created for commerce and exchange. The writing of the number 1 varies from one language to another, and from one century to another. So here you see the different writing of the number 1.
And it varies from one language to another and from one century to another.
The negative appeared in the 2000 in the Chinese with bars of different colors than the positives. Around 3000 before Christ, in the region of Sumer appears the first representation of fraction for a particular case. So 120th, 160.
Wait, 1 over. You can
over
say 1
40
over.
and 20.
Yes.
1 over 13, 1 over 10, and 1 over 5.
Very good. Okay.
Okay, an irrational number is a number that cannot be written because it has too many decimals. The most famous irrational is a p, but the first irrational was born in 4000 in Babylon and was square root of 2. We can find the square root of 2 with 1 plus 1 and we found square root of 2. Here we can see the number we found this, and this is 1.4142. Square root of negative 1. The solution of
Square root. Square root. Root.
Square root of negative 1. The solution of square root of negative 1 is I. I is a complex number, and the complex number, the number are complex if they are not in the set number of the set number. And this is an imaginary number containing in particular I. The square root of negative 1 was created by René Descartes in 1637.
Relation between the set of numbers. So this is the relation between the set of numbers. So there is the natural number. They contain 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The whole number, they contain 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. The integer, they contain negative 4, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 5, 8, and so on. The rationals, they contain 1/2, negative 1, 0, 6, 9, and so on. And the irrational, they contain pi, square root of 2, square root of 3, and so on.
Okay, so we have C, the word of numbers. So we have C, square roots of -1, stick of Fishango, the number 1, the different writing of the number 0, the number 0, René Descartes with the square root of -1, the sets of number and the fraction.
Yes, Russian.
Okay, this is presented by Mario and Clara.
Wow, so cute.
We have a quiz.
Okay, nice.
So, why we use the number p? For know the circumference of the circle, for know the circumference of quadrilateral, or for nothing.
Okay, so what is your answer?
Lower.
Oh, wait.
For know the circumferences of a circle.
Yes, it's more to know, okay? Normally it must be to know. Next question.
The first presence of numbers is in negative 30,000, negative 3,000, negative 30,000. It was stick of Ishango, the numbers that we know, or square root of -1.
Who wants to answer?
Negative 3,000.
No.
You go?
Negative 30.
Put your hands up.
No. Put your hands up, it's like in a discotheque, right? It's raise your hand, please.
So it's minus negative 30,000.
Okay.
Yeah. And there is another solution. Elise?
Ishango.
Yes.